I will be talking more about the personality types which you are seeing on the screen. So there are some people who are artistic in nature, right? And this artistic in nature will provide them, different opportunities and different arenas to work into the fine arts category, right? So those who are artistic in nature, they are the creative ones. They have this creative intelligence into them. Okay, what is creative intelligence? How we are going to differentiate between creative intelligence and that of a general intelligence? Who will tell?
People with creative mean they will think in innovative way. Like if we take iPhone people will think in a creative way, and they come with different plans to attract the customers with innovative ideas. And the normal people, like we can compare the iPhone and the Nokia people, they don't come with a new concepts like Nokia and all. So they were in a downfall before iPhone and Samsung was raised in the society. After coming the iPhone and this Samsung, all of a sudden Nokia was in a fall down because they don't think in a new way. I think so.
Okay. Okay. So are they artistic or creative, or are they criticizers? What I could see is
Creative.
Criticizing sort of thing rather than just labeling who are creators. See, or who are creatives. Basically, creative intelligence or creative thinking can be meant by one problem and different solutions, a variety of solutions, and not fixated to only one solution. Example, if a person has come to you stating that I want to go into the medical field, but I don't want to be a nurse and I don't want to be a doctor. Now it is your creative intelligence that you will provide him different solutions for his problem. You can provide him different options, the variety of options which are there available with that for a person who is not willing to work in a hospital, but still he wants to be into the medical field, right? So this particular intelligence or this particular thinking is known as creative thinking, and the person who possesses this are creative people, right? There are the other category in which we have investigators and realistics. So investigators are basically the thinkers who think about a particular thing, and they are basically analytic people. They are intellectual, scientific, exploratory, and if we call about the investigators or the thinkers, they are mostly the researchers, right? They do researches, they explore. So person who is, if we found in the history, or if you found that in the first or second session that the person is more of curious and and tries to dig on the things, he's more of an explorative, then probably he is an investigator, right? So there are realistic people also who are the doers, who are focused on what is there at present. They focus on the practicality, right? So they are practical, they are physical, right? Example, they will be good, businessman, or realistic can be, they could be good, probably lawyers, right? Now we have these conventionals and the organizers. So they are detailed oriented, organizing, and they have this clerical ability into them. So we know, lots of people who do these, what we say, the word actually slipped from my mind. The people who do these marital, this marriage arrangements, and they all decorate all this stuff. What is the name actually?
Event managers.
Yes, thank you. So the event managers are the organizers. They focus on each and every detail. They organize the things, right? They focus on how their subordinates are working. So multiply, they are focusing on a lot of things, lot of details which are, surrounding them. So organizers could be them also. Now we have enterprisers or the persuader. So they have this leadership quality among them. So entrepreneurship से related जो भी हैं, enterprising companies जिनकी होती है, so those who lead them, they are good enterprisers. Now we have this cooperative, supporting, helping, healing, and nurturing. Who will tell me in this category who will fit? the social and the helper category.
Social services in that means who are in spiritual side also can do the service, like
What else?
moreover IAS, IPS they are into, might be.
No,
No.
Okay. IPS will not be into this.
Okay, fine.
This particularly realistic.
Okay.
Collegists are under this. Social workers are under this cooperative, supporting, helping, healing, and nurturing.
And
Doctors,
counselors.
counselors, social workers, psychologists, they all are under this particular domain.